Hey guys, Mark from Fred It Forward, Guitar Center Tucson. Let's go inside. Let's check out the inventory. Wow, busy store. Let's start here in the front row. First one. Some Fenders. Gosh, right here in the first row. Wow. G&L. Blue one right there. White Squier. Ooh, look at that pretty blue LTD. And a Kramer right next to it. Schecter, yeah. LTD. Another black Schecter. Jackson. Charvel. Wow, look at that. Music Man. Squier. Yamaha Pacifica. We got a 7-string Jackson. Ooh, look at that beauty. Squier. Let's go to the headstock. Beautiful bottle here. Saw this at another store. 40th anniversary Squier. Gorgeous. Look at this. Stay with me, guys. And right here in the center, guys, up front, you got a Gibson, Les Pauls here at the bottom, Fender Strat. Let me move up a little bit. Take a capture of this scene right here. And then we'll go to the top. And once again, we'll work our way down. Yeah, that's Jimmy in the background. Beautiful. And then here comes the first row. There you go. And for our left-handed friends, the only two in the store, they're both Ibanez. The Ibanez up here on the left, blue one, and the one Ibanez Geo on the right, the black. There you go, guys. For our lefty friends. Check it, guys. Here we go. Squier 40th anniversary Strat Vintage Electric Seafoam Green. Look at this thing up close. And let's bring your attention to the bridge. I want you guys to see the rolled down metal bridge here. Not like you're used to seeing on some of the heavy bridges. It's rolled steel. Take a good look at it up close. And then, of course, your standard setup, of course, 3 knobs, your 5-way switch. Let's check it. Yep, sounds decent. There we go. 3 pickups, and look at this matrimony between the neck here and the body. Beautiful. I think they call these narrow tails. I'm not certain. I'll post it up and give you the information. Let's get a close-up, and of course slow down as we go down the fretboard on this Squier. Beautiful. I played out of a Mesa Boogie. Not used to using a Mesa Boogie. Usually play these things when I'm doing these demos here at Guitar Center through a Katana with some certain settings I'm used to at home because I've got one. Go to the headstock here. There you go. vintage tuners. I want to bring this to your attention. I've got them on my Fender Strat, my 79. The string goes straight in, and then you just go ahead and wrap and turn. Very simple to turn on these headstock tuners. Let's check it out. Vintage. Up close, guys. Let's see where it's made. There you go, Indonesia. Just as I thought, quality coming out of Indonesia is rather superb. Let's take a look down the back side of the neck. There we go. Take a look at the matrimony here. There you go. Beautiful chamfers here on the back horns, the way it's cut. You've got your belly cut there, nice and wide, fresh wide bellies. And then look at this, beautiful. Look at that, roasted maple probably, I'm guessing. Looks like a little bit of French sprout, if you will, coming through. But you know what, it felt rather smooth. I wouldn't complain. I wouldn't complain. Really nice looking guitar. Nice feeling, nice playing. Here you go, guys. Yeah, once again, these vintage tuners, nice and easy. Look at that, the 1, 2, the third string there from my right. String goes right on in, pull it around a little bit, and boom, start turning, and you're done. Once again, beautiful. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. So hey guys, what'd you think? That 40th anniversary Squier, pretty nice, huh? The paint job, that spectacular, nice and smooth, beautiful cuts. Telling you, out and cruising and checking out guitars, it's always nice to run into some great quality merchandise. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Appreciate it.